today, and by today I mean about a year ago because I'm lazy, we are going to be getting a Resonator Delete on my 2013 Mustang GT. Now, the car was decently loud before, but after the Resonator Delete, it is very loud. I'm still running the factory headers, and I'm still running the factory cats and the factory H-pipe. Only thing I had done was the resonators were cut out. Here's a picture. I'm by no means a welder, but I think it looks halfway decent, especially considering that that's after a year of abuse, and it still looks that decent. I'm running some aftermarket axle backs. No idea they were on the car when I bought it. I don't really care. So it's basically just a cat back straight pipe at this point, and I will be doing a comparison between what it sounded like before with just the muffler deletes in all categories, and after with the muffler and resonator delete in all categories. Of course, that includes the revving, acceleration, and inside driving with windows up and down. So you'll have the full treat in this video of how you want it to sound if you're planning on doing the same thing, or maybe you just like listening to the sound of freaking bald eagles. Okay, so let's get straight into it.
Cold start. Warm start.
Yes, I'm aware I have a fat ass exhaust leak. I tried to fix it and made it worse. That's another video. We're gonna have to fix that.
Trust me, when you fire this game up, your little fucking nuts are gonna start quaking, buddy.
Lord have mercy, raise hell, praise Deus.
Keep it up.
Lightning McQueen!
First gear full.